In this module, we are going to show how to review jobs by multiple options in BuildOn. We will cover the Drive tab, bidding list, email, quote, and activity. Let's get started. Click on the Drive tab. Here we can view the plans and supporting documents. We can add new folders by clicking the New option, or delete files if they are not needed. In the Trash tab, we can see the files we have deleted. We can restore them or permanently remove them from the project. This is how the Drive tab works. When we click on the bidding list, we can view bidder details. If we need to update the opportunity, we can do by clicking the Update option. To add a bidder account and contact details, click on the Add option. The bidder contact is already created and CRM is linked here. Click on the Save option. After saving, we will see the message Bidder added successfully. We can also add multiple contact details here. Next, go to the Email option. Here, we can email the client directly by entering the email ID and related information. We can also add a signature. To generate a new quote, click on the Quote section. Click the Create option and enter the name for the quote. The bidder details we created in the bidding list will appear here under Quote Template. Click on the Calculator option as default and then click Create. If a description is needed, we can add it. We can also send the quote by email directly to the client. We can download it here. When we click on the quote hyperlink, it will take us to the quote page. On the Activity tab, it is helpful for the person assigning the job to set the start and due date so the workflow is managed properly. We can finish the job before the due date. We can also set the workflow status as new, quoting, lead review, and more as shown here. The task name can be entered here along with the start and due date and who we are assigning for the project. Once everything is assigned, we can click Create. The upcoming and overdue options can also be managed here. This is how we review the job.